Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a quick video on empties. If you haven't seen one of these videos before, it's just basically products that I have used up over, I don't know how long I've used them up, but they're finished and I want to share it with you guys because these kind of videos have saved me a lot of money, so you can thank me later. Before we start, I know that some of you are going to say, is there a tutorial on the look that I'm wearing? I know there isn't. I don't know why I didn't film it. I filmed small Instagram videos doing this look, but not a YouTube tutorial. Anyway, for the eye look, I used the Colour Drain Queen of Hearts palette. This is probably one of my favourite palettes I've ever purchased, and that's saying a lot because I've got quite a few palettes. I don't have a huge okay, so some people it might be a huge amount, but I haven't got every palette out there. Anyway, onto the video. What should I start with? Okay, let's start with this. I've been using this for about 3 years. Well, not this one, but this product. And this is the Bioderma Sensi Bio. You can see there's two empties. There's one which I keep in my kit and there's one which I keep for personal. I feel like I drink this because I use it all the time, every day on myself if I'm wearing makeup. Actually, sometimes if I'm not, just to clean my face, but I generally use this a lot and I use it on all my clients. I travel with it. There's a small one in here, a little cutie pie. I bought this because Lisa Eldridge said that she uses it on her clients. It's a makeup removing solution and it's for sensitive skin. My friend who's got rosacea used it and she didn't have any problems, and she's never come across a product which has been that gentle on her skin before when removing makeup. If you're looking for a makeup remover, I would highly recommend this one. The way I use this is I put a tiny bit of this on a cotton round and I'll hold it up against my eye and let the solution dissolve the makeup and leave it there for about 20 to 30 seconds and then I'll wipe it. But I won't go back and forth like this because I don't want to pull the skin. And it takes off 95% of the makeup. The only thing that doesn't remove 100% is the waterproof stuff, so waterproof eyeliner, waterproof mascara. I do have a bit of trouble doing that, but I don't wear waterproof makeup every day, and when I do, I use another one. I use Bifacial. It's oil based, so it cleans up everything, but this is really good for day to day. Would I purchase this again? Yes, I would. I've purchased this several times. The next empties is this one right here. This is the Makeup Forever HD foundation. This is my second bottle of it that I've been through. The first one I threw away before I started collecting products for this. I purchased my third one, which is over there. I love this foundation so much. It's just got such a really nice consistency. I can use it for daytime, evening. I can apply thin coverage, I can apply thick coverage. It's just so versatile for any look that I want to create, and it's such a good peachy kind of color. I like to have a peachy color in my foundation because I like to color correct my skin. I'll do a video on foundations and stuff another time. If somebody asks me for a foundation, this is one of the ones that I would recommend. I love this for clients, especially brides. One of my brides, she's a friend of mine as well, never used foundation. I told her to specifically get this one and she went out and got it. I mixed some oils in it to give her really nice coverage and she looked so beautiful on her wedding day. I recommended this to her because it was an HD foundation, great coverage. It will make her skin look really nice in all of her photos, and especially for brown people, there's no flashback, so I can use this at an event at night where there's flash photography and I know that my face is going to be the same color as my body. So if you're looking for a new foundation, I would highly recommend this. My shade is Y405. I also use NC42 in matte. I use the shade 7.5 in Armani, just so you can kind of gauge your color. I've already told you that I purchased this again, and after I finish that one, I would probably purchase another one. It is that good. What else is in here? The Naked Concealer from Urban Decay. This is the Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer. I am in the shade Medium Dark Warm. This concealer is so beautiful. It is a thin, full coverage concealer. I really like this because it really blends smoothly into the skin. You can't tell that you're wearing anything. I was showing my sister how to apply concealer and I put quite a bit of this on and she was like, no, it's too much, it's too much. I said, Shaz, calm down, let me blend this out for you. So I blended it out and she was like, where is it? I said, I don't know. Magic. At one point I was using this every day. The color is really good for my skin tone. The coverage is really nice for everyday use. So it's super easy just to quickly apply over the areas that you need and blend it out. This is the first one that I've purchased and I have purchased a second one which I have been using. So this is really good. Next. This makeup sponge and brush cleanser by Beauty Blender. This stuff is really good for cleaning out your beauty blender, your brushes, or your makeup tool. I really like it because it makes your brushes smell really nice. I use it with the Sigma cleansing mat, so it's got all these like ridges on there, and then I'll put it in here, rinse it in water, then use the cleansing mat to really get into the brush. I did buy another one of these. I bought the Solid Pro cleanser. It's a lot bigger than this one. This one is really good for traveling actually. This one I just keep in my bathroom. It comes with a little cleansing mat in there. It's massive. You can see the little dent in there. I use it every time I use my makeup brushes. Every time I use my clients' brushes, I use this to clean it, and then I'll use alcohol to disinfect them. So yeah, I did buy this. I bought the bigger one. I actually recently bought the Tiger Eye brush set from Sonia Roselli, which I haven't used. After that one, I'll probably use this one, and then I'll see how it is, because this one is favored by a lot of working makeup artists, and this was created by a working makeup artist, Sonia Roselli, as well. I really like some of her other products that I've bought, and can't wait to try this one. The next one I'm gonna talk about is, I'll do this one. Glam Glow. This is the Thirsty Mud. It's the blue one. It's the hydrating mask. I love this stuff so much. The way this transforms your skin from dehydrated to healthy looking, glowy and moisturized. I don't know what to say about it. It's really good. It's so good that I have finished a second one and I'm on to my third. The way I use this is, it says that you should just apply it over your face, leave it for 10 minutes and then take it off, but I never do that. I apply it as the last step in my nighttime skin routine. It's a thick consistency, so I'll put quite a thick layer on. Not too thick, just a little thick. And then I'll just let it sink in and I'll go to bed. And in the morning, it looks like I'm a whole new woman. It looks like my skin has drunken. It looks like my skin drank a litre of water overnight, and that's what I love about this. I use this on my mum and she noticed a difference overnight. I've used this on so many people and they all have bought another one of these. So I think Glam Glow should hit me up if I'm honest. A Glam Glow PH. Would I buy this one again? Yeah, I did buy this one again and I finished it. So these are 2 empties. I'm onto my third one, which I keep in my bedroom, and I'll apply it just before I go to bed, like I said. Let's do this one next. This is the Nose Pack Package Egg Pour from Tony Moly. It's just basically nose strips that I have tried out. These I get from Watson's in the Philippines. I just use it to take out my blackheads and clean out my nose area, because that can get quite blocked and congested and all that ugly stuff. This comes in a pack of 6, I believe. It's really good at clearing out all those clogged pores. I use it on myself, I use it on Jay. The only other nose strips that I've used are the ones from Boots in the UK, and I feel like they work just as fine, so you don't have to get this brand. I just buy this brand because it's available, so just get whatever's available. But if you're in the Philippines, then I would recommend trying these, because not only are they good, they are cheap. This one comes in at 198 pesos, which is about £2.50. Not bad. Oh, did I say it? I bought this again? Because I did. I bought this again. Tony Moly. Next. This Pixie, yes. This is the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist, and this is really nice because it's got hyaluronic acid. It comes in a spray. Obviously nothing's going to come out because it's finished. So it's a spray on, so when I spray it onto my face, it really plumps up my skin and really makes it like, you know, youthful. All those things we want our faces to be. You can use it before makeup, it moisturizes and preps. Yeah, that's what I do. You can use it at night time as the first layer of moisture. I tried that, I didn't need it there, so I stopped doing that. And anytime it gives a burst of hydration. So yeah, I apply it before makeup just to give my skin a bit of moisture and to prep my skin a little bit, and then I'll go in with other skin prep. If I'm applying a thick foundation, I like using this once I've applied it, just so that it soaks up and it doesn't look so foundation-y. What's the word? Cakey. It makes it really blend in with your skin really nicely, and you can use it on top of powder as well, but it's not a setting spray. It's like what MAC Fix Plus does for you. It just moistens up so your face doesn't look so powdery. I did buy another one of these and I am halfway through that. You know how I would see this working really well is if you are working in the city maybe, and when you want to go out in the evening, you just spray this all over your face and it just brings some like hydration to your face, makes you look a bit more awake and alive. I might do that because I used to do that quite often. I might do a video on day to night makeup if you're going out after work. Let me know if you'd like to see that in the comments. Next, this one, Tarte Drink of H2O. I finished this quite a while ago, and I used to use this every day when I was using it, and I quite enjoyed using it as well, but it's quite difficult to get hold of if you're not in America, and I found the results quite comparable to the Glam Glow. It is really nice, but I don't think I'll be buying this again because there are other products on the market which are more readily available. This you can buy anywhere. I can buy it here in the Philippines, I can buy it in the UK. It's actually a lot cheaper in the UK than it is in America anyways. Although I like the effect of this, there are other water creams which do a really good job on my face. One of them is this one right here. This is the Water Balm by Sonia Roselli. This is amazing. This is everything you need in one product. So when I am doing a client, or whether I'm doing makeup on myself and I need to do a quick job, put my makeup on, get out the door, this is a one-step skin prep that I use all the time. It's so good. Yeah, like I said, although I did enjoy using this, I don't know if I would run out and buy a new one because it didn't create such special results for me. So I probably, yeah, I wouldn't buy this again. MAC Studio Moisture Cream. Now this is something that I loved using. This is also something that I keep in my kit. I use the whole thing. It's really good. It's got sodium hyaluronate in there, and what that does is it plumps up the skin. It preps your skin really nicely for makeup. I get one of these in my kit which I accidentally threw when I finished it. I don't know why, but this is my personal one which I also finished. I really like these. When I have used some of the products that I have, I'll probably go out and buy this again. This was actually my second one. I bought this years ago and I just never got around to buying it again, and then I saw it in MAC once and I picked this one up. It's really good. So if you're looking for a moisturizer that will prep your skin for makeup, I would highly recommend this one. Next, Vanessa by Shiseido. This is a SPF of 50. This is really nice for people with brown skin because it doesn't create flashback in photos. It has a milky texture to it, so when you apply it's really watery, really milky, but it automatically absorbs into your skin and it doesn't have that white cast to it. So I can wear this for destination weddings, which is perfect because most of the weddings are outside, so you protect your skin, you're wearing makeup, then people are taking photos and your face is the same color as your body. I have bought another one of these. I am on my second one currently, and I will be buying another one when I finish that one. If you use sunscreen and it's not this one and it's good for brown skin, let me know in the comments down below what it is, because I do want to see what else is out there on the market. Even though I love this, I just want to see what other things there are for us brown people. Okay, next. This Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara from L'Oreal. This mascara is so damn good. This made me look like I was wearing demi wispies and I wasn't wearing any lashes. I just had my normal eyelashes, which are admittedly longer than the average person, and I still wear lashes. As you can see right now, I'm wearing eyelashes. These are, I think, Samantha by Huda Beauty, but this gave me the demi wispy lashes effect on my natural eyelashes, and they were so good. I think I bought this from Ulta. I can't remember, but I've been trying to track this down and I cannot find another one, so I kept this just so that I can remember which one it is. Now I've made the video, I can probably throw it away and refer to the video. If you are here in the Philippines and you buy one, can you buy an extra one for me? Please, thank you. Eyebrow product. I'm going to talk about these two first. These are the Anastasia. This is the Brow Wiz and the Brow Definer. This is a thin pencil-like one, and this is the more triangular shaped one, which makes putting brows on much easier. I have been through so many of these. I don't know how many I've been through, but I really like these pencils, and I have moved on and started using other ones. Currently, I'm using Precisely My Brow by Benefit, and I really like the formula of that one. And because of that, and because of another product which I'm going to show you, I haven't actually purchased another one of these, but there is nothing wrong with these ones. I do really like them. I just wanted to see what else there was in the market. I don't know if I will be going back to these, but they do work really well. Another reason why I probably won't go back to these is because they are difficult to get a hold of in the Philippines. In the UK, you probably get them from Beauty Bay or Cult Beauty. I can't remember. I'll let you know down below where I got these from. I think it was Beauty Bay. I can't remember. In the Philippines, these are really hard to get hold of, and they're much more expensive here than you probably get in the States. So for that reason only, I've stopped using these. Even though I really like them, I still recommend them to people if they're easy to get a hold of. But for me, I have moved on to Benefit Precisely My Brow. Another product that I finished, which I threw away by accident, is the Dip Brow Pomade by Anastasia. This stuff keeps your eyebrows on so long. I think it only says you should keep it for 6 months. I kept my other one for 2 years, and and it still worked fine. 2.5 actually. I used it most days. I don't use it every day because it's such a hassle to put it on. I most probably will be buying this one again because it's so good. It stays on when I'm in the pool, it stays on when I'm at the gym, and it's quite hot here, so I need my brows to stay on all day. I don't want them to melt away, and this stuff is really good. Onto another brow product, which is NYX Micro Brow. This is in the shade Espresso, I believe, number 7 Espresso. I really like this for everyday use because 1, it's affordable, and 2, it does the job and it stays on long enough for how I want it. So I'll probably get ready and then I'll go for a meeting, or I'll go out for the day and then I'll come back and my eyebrows will still be in place. Like, they won't be so strong like the dip brow is. The dip brow stays in place all day. This one is good and it says waterproof. I use this every day because it's affordable and it does the job. It looks nice, it's a good color. I can't scroll it up because it's finished. It's got the really fine pencil on one side, it's got the spoolie on the other side, like the dip brow and the Precisely My Brow. Although I like the Precisely My Brow formula and the color better, I think this is half the price. Onto the last product. I've gone through this next product in the hundreds and I am not kidding you. I love this stuff. I've been using it for about 8 years. There is the Rimmel Exaggerate eyeliners. This is in the color Noir and it's just such a good drugstore eyeliner. I don't think I've ever used an eyeliner like this in my life for this price point. It's so good. It stays on all day. I used to wear this when I was working in London. I was up at like 5:30 in the morning, used to get ready by 6 and then used to get the tray to work. I was working till 5:30, 6 o'clock sometimes, and I used to come home and my eyeliner would still be there, and that's how good these are. I actually switched from MAC to this. I think I was using MAC Feline and this stays on much better. It's much more comfortable to wear. The MAC Feline irritated my eyes a tiny bit, but this I have never had a problem and I've been through so many of these. I love the black one and I like the brown one. These are the twisty tops, so you can spin them up. Oi, a tiny bit left. You can spin them up and you can twist them down again back into the pencil, and then on the other side you have a smudger, which I barely ever use. I only use it if I've forgotten my brush. And then here you have a sharpener, which is so cool, so you can sharpen your pencil, which I also never did that either, only because I went through it so quickly and I love smudging out my eyeliner rather than having such a fine sharp line. But anyway, yeah, to show you how much I love these, I have finished these 2 black ones. I've got these 2 black ones on the go. I keep one in my bag and I keep one on my desk, and then I've got a brown one on the go as well. And then, hold on one second, I have these, which are all my backups in black and brown. So you can see that even my backup has a backup in case that doesn't work. This is just a snippet of how many I go through. So I bought some boots and they have a 3 for 2 deal, so I generally get them then. I miss boots, man. So that is it. They're all the products that I've been through, and most of them I think I would purchase again, which is why I'm telling you about them. Let me know in the comments down below if you have used these or if there are any products that you keep buying over and over again. I would love to know. I don't know if I'll do this video again soon because I'll probably have the same products. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye!